3, 2, 1, go!
Good morning everyone, it is Friday morning. I'm just about to head off to work, but I wanted to re-intro this vlog because I started it off as an ordinary weekly vlog, coming along to work, good morning, rah rah rah, and then I ended up going on this totally epic day out with GoPro. It was like my dream come true. 2 days before they launched the actual product, I got to play around with the GoPro Hero Black 7, which for a techie person who loves cameras, this is like my dream come true. So I'm about to play all that footage that I got for you now, which is very exciting. I thought I'd open the little case and show you the camera itself before we kick off with things. This is the cute little setup that they gave us. Ta-da! Look at that sexy, sexy camera. We also have this little shorty here, extends out to a selfie stick kind of situation, and it also has little tripod legs, which is super handy. We also have this standard case and a little rubbery one to go around your neck. So now I'm going to rewind to Wednesday when I went on an epic day out with GoPro. I hope you enjoy the footage, and then I'm going to catch up with you in a minute, and we are going to Queenstown skiing for the weekend, so we're going to do some more GoPro tests. Let's do this.
Season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind, got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see, believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode, facing the night. Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Wanna shake the ground.
Good morning from Queenstown. I have switched to my G7X while I'm charging up the GoPro. We've woken up to this pretty average view, and we're just having some breakfast and getting ready for a day of skiing.
To write a story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
We are on chairlift! Woo! I thought this would be a good audio test because chairlifts are kind of a bit windy.
Too bad you can't film me because you're too slow.
Oh, I can try film you. So mean. It's a beautiful day.
Let us talk tonight. got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right.
You're going so fast.
My legs are on fire.
Nice and cozy there.
Very cozy.
Looking elegant, mate. Bye.
So yesterday took a bit of an unexpected turn. As you could see, we ended on a bit of a bad note. I basically was doing like a little box jump thing, which was a very bad idea. I don't usually do jumps, and there was no one who actually saw it except for some random stranger, because Connor was ahead of me and my parents were still on the chairlift behind me. But I must have come off it wrong, or something went bad, because I think I might have blacked out. I don't really remember, and apparently a man helped me up, got my stuff together, and then I skied down to where Connor was, and apparently I told him that I'd blacked out, and I was just very disorientated and confused. Still can't speak. Eventually my parents got there, and then they went and got the ski patrol, which is the footage you saw. Very exciting. I've never been picked up by the ski patrol in my 18 years of skiing, so check that one off my bucket list. But I was really confused when my parents got there. Like, I kept asking like every 10 seconds what happened. I got taken down to the emergency center, all checked out. They were just like, yeah, you're gonna have a bit of a sore head. Oh, I did scrape the side of my face as well. If you saw my Instagram, Connor posted a really funny video of me after I'd done it. But I felt quite queasy, just had some Panadol though, went to bed early, and I'm on the mend. And I've learned a very important lesson. Number one, always wear a helmet. Luckily I had a helmet on, or else it could have been way worse. Always wear a helmet if you are on the snow, people. Number two, jumps are not for me. Don't do the jumps, Alan. But yeah, I've just been chilling this morning. It's like 12 o'clock and the rest of my family has been skiing, and I've just been cruising along on my laptop, and I think I'm just gonna go for a couple of relaxed, easy runs now because I'm feeling a lot better. And yeah, I hope you watch this video. I'm filming this on my G7X at the moment, not the GoPro, because Connor is out filming with the GoPro because he's obsessed with it. So am I. I'm so impressed with the skills, like, I mean, not the skills, the updates. Like, the stabilization is amazing. I really like the little time warp feature. It's just a massive step up from their previous models, so I'm definitely excited and on board, and if you are a fan of GoPro, you will really like this. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!